Are you aware of the 7 critical mistakes you should never make during your spiritual awakening? You may not be aware of it, but there are many harmful practices that we can unknowingly do during our day. Keep watching and you'll find out the 7 dangerous practices to avoid during your spiritual awakening. 1. Suppressing emotions. During your spiritual journey, emotions can have harmful effects on your overall well-being and personal growth. When you push down or ignore your feelings, you're not allowing yourself to process them fully. This can lead to pent-up emotions that may manifest in unhealthy ways, such as stress, anxiety, or even physical ailments. Embracing and processing your emotions is crucial for your spiritual evolution. By acknowledging and understanding your feelings, you can learn from them and grow emotionally. Each emotion carries valuable insights about yourself and your experiences. Ignoring them means missing out on opportunities for self-awareness and healing. Furthermore, suppressing emotions can create barriers in your relationships with others. When you're not authentic about how you feel, it can lead to misunderstandings and distance. True connection requires vulnerability and openness, which can only happen when you allow yourself to express your emotions honestly. 2. Resisting change. During your spiritual journey, resisting change can stall your growth and prevent you from realizing your full potential. Change is an inevitable part of life, and embracing it is essential for personal evolution. When you resist change, you cling to the familiar and stagnant, limiting your ability to adapt and thrive in new circumstances. Change often serves as a catalyst for growth, pushing you out of your comfort zone and challenging you to explore new possibilities. By embracing change, you open yourself up to valuable opportunities for learning, expansion, and transformation. Each change, whether big or small, offers lessons and insights that contribute to your spiritual development. Furthermore, resisting change can lead to feelings of stagnation, frustration, and dissatisfaction. When you resist the natural flow of life, you may find yourself trapped in repetitive patterns or situations that no longer serve you. This resistance creates unnecessary suffering and impedes your journey towards greater fulfillment and inner peace. Embracing change requires courage, flexibility, and a willingness to let go of attachments to the past. It involves trusting in the inherent wisdom of life's unfolding and surrendering to the unknown with an open heart and mind. By embracing change, you align yourself with the rhythm of life and open yourself up to infinite possibilities for growth and expansion. 3. Ignoring intuition. During your spiritual journey, ignoring intuition can lead you astray and hinder your personal growth. Intuition is your inner wisdom, a deep knowing that arises from your subconscious mind and higher self. It serves as a guide, offering insights and guidance that can help you navigate life's challenges and decisions. When you ignore your intuition, you disconnect from your inner guidance system, relying solely on logic or external sources for direction. This can lead to decisions that are not aligned with your highest good or true purpose, resulting in missed opportunities or unnecessary obstacles on your path. Moreover, ignoring intuition can leave you feeling disconnected from yourself and your spiritual journey. It diminishes your ability to trust yourself and your instincts, fostering doubt and uncertainty. In essence, ignoring intuition is like ignoring a compass in the wilderness, leaving you vulnerable to getting lost or veering off course on your spiritual journey. It's essential to cultivate a deep trust in your intuition and learn to listen to its whispers. Intuition often speaks softly, nudging you in the right direction or warning you of potential pitfalls. By tuning into your intuition and honoring its guidance, you can navigate your journey with greater clarity, confidence, and alignment with your true path. 4. Staying away from luxury and ego. Ego refers to the part of the mind that seeks validation, superiority, and control. Excess, on the other hand, involves indulgence or overconsumption in various aspects of life, such as material possessions, food, or sensory pleasures. Recognizing ego-driven actions and the temptation of overindulgence is essential for your spiritual growth. Ego-driven actions are often motivated by a desire for recognition, power, or superiority over others. they can lead to feelings of separation, competition, and conflict, undermining your connection with yourself and others. Similarly, overindulgence in material possessions, sensory pleasures, or worldly pursuits can distract you from your spiritual path and lead to imbalance and dissatisfaction. While it's natural to enjoy life's pleasures, excess can lead to attachment, greed, and a sense of emptiness or dissatisfaction. Finding balance and moderation is advocated by spiritual teachings across various traditions. Balance involves cultivating harmony and equilibrium in all aspects of your life, including your relationships, work, and personal pursuits. It requires discernment and self-awareness to recognize when your actions or desires are driven by ego or excess and to make choices that align with your highest values and aspirations. Acting from compassion and understanding is essential for transcending ego and excess. Compassion involves empathy and kindness towards yourself and others, fostering connection and harmony. Understanding involves recognizing the interconnectedness of all beings and the impermanent nature of worldly pursuits, leading to a deeper sense of peace and acceptance. 6. Embracing responsibility. Embracing responsibility is fundamental on your spiritual journey as it empowers you to shape your life circumstances and live authentically. Responsibility involves acknowledging that you have the power to create your reality through your thoughts, choices, and actions. It's about owning your decisions, behaviors, and their consequences rather than blaming external factors or circumstances. Taking responsibility for shaping life circumstances is an act of empowerment. It means recognizing that you are not a passive bystander in your own life but an active participant with the ability to influence outcomes. By taking ownership of your choices and actions, you reclaim your power to create positive change and manifest your desires. Understanding the consequences of choices is essential for making informed decisions. Every choice you make has ripple effects that extend beyond the present moment, shaping your future experiences and outcomes. By considering the potential consequences of your actions, you can make choices that align with your values and goals, leading to greater fulfillment and well-being. Empowering yourself to make wiser decisions involves cultivating self-awareness and discernment. It requires tuning into your inner guidance and intuition, as well as seeking wisdom from trusted mentors or spiritual teachings. By honing your decision-making skills and learning from past experiences, you can navigate life's challenges with greater clarity and confidence. Living authentically is a natural outgrowth of embracing responsibility. When you take responsibility for your life, you align with your true self and live in alignment with your values and purpose. Authentic living involves expressing yourself honestly and vulnerably without fear of judgment or approval from others. It's about living from a place of integrity and authenticity regardless of external expectations or pressures. 7. Neglecting self-care. During your spiritual journey, neglecting self-care can have serious consequences for your well-being and overall growth. Self-care encompasses various practices that nurture your physical, emotional, and mental health. When you overlook these essential aspects of self-care, you deprive yourself of the necessary support and nourishment needed for your spiritual evolution. Physical self-care involves taking care of your body through proper nutrition, exercise, and rest. Neglecting these basics can lead to fatigue, illness, and decreased vitality, which can hinder your ability to engage fully in your spiritual practices and pursuits. Emotional self-care involves recognizing and honoring your feelings, as well as setting boundaries to protect your emotional well-being. When you neglect to address your emotional needs, you may experience heightened stress, anxiety, or emotional exhaustion, which can impede your spiritual growth and inner peace. Mental self-care involves engaging in activities that stimulate and nourish your mind, such as learning, creativity, and mindfulness practices. Neglecting mental self-care can result in mental fatigue, lack of clarity, and difficulty focusing, hindering your ability to gain insights and deepen your spiritual understanding. Your spiritual journey is a profound and personal voyage of growth and self-discovery. It's marked by various challenges and pitfalls, from suppressing emotions to succumbing to arrogance. However, by embracing practices like embracing the present moment, navigating life's choices, and cultivating humility, you can navigate these obstacles with grace and resilience. Remember, your journey is unique, and every step you take towards self-awareness and inner peace is a testament to your spiritual evolution. If you're still watching, I'd like to thank you for your attention. If you enjoyed the content and want to see more, please consider clicking the subscribe button. Your support is very appreciated. Feel free to share your experiences or thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, take care and stay tuned for more insightful content.